Hey folks, we are here at Penn Station and Moynihan Train Hall. I'm just going to take a little quick tour of what services are available now since it was opened, I don't know, a little over a year or so ago. A lot of things have opened up and a lot of services, for travelers or people just passing through. As a matter of fact, I just had some pizza at Sauce Pizzeria. This now is my go-to place for pizza, and we'll start the tour now. This is the main bar area, and we have a Sauce Pizza at this end. There's a Chopped restaurant right between the Sauce Pizzeria and the restrooms, which are still relatively clean. And we have a nice bar in the middle, very open. I haven't tried this place yet. Alidoro, specialty coffees and cold sandwiches, hot sandwiches. And I walked right by the burger joint. There's a burger joint there. We've got a few things to eat, and you can get your food and then eat in this like food court here. I don't really want to call it a food court, just like the dining area. And here we have pastries and coffee. So just take a quick look at the an overview of the seating area in the bar. Very well stocked bar. And it's very clean. And we got a Jacob's Pickles place coming, not sure what that is. And right here we have Middle Eastern food. So really something for, and a ramen place is going to be open up. So we have places to charge your phones, which is nice. And this is almost at the beginning of rush hour, so as you can see there's a lot of tables, and which is very good. And what every traveler needs when they forget stuff is we have a Walgreens here. And it's a pretty good size Walgreens, pharmacy, everything that you find in a regular Walgreens in the street. It's the baggage, Amtrak baggage. We have a lot of long distance trains coming through here. The baggage carousels like they kind of do at the airport. And there's some nice pictures of the old Penn Station, which was a gem. Unfortunately, it was torn down in the 60s. So we're making our way out to the main hall where people board trains. The seated areas are off to the sides. They're patrolled, so try to keep it clean. Here's the Amtrak ticket windows. And we have first the main clock, and then the escalators going down to the platforms. This part of Penn Station serves, I believe, from platform or from track 5 to 16. There are more platforms for Jersey Transit and Long Island Railroad, which can be accessed through the main Penn Station. Okay, we have a little shop here, Blue Bottle Coffee, and H&H Bagels. So plenty of food stuff, and of course the pharmacy. And then if you need like a last minute gift, we have flower shop, and there's There's another coffee place over there. And we have a French chocolate shop. So there's plenty of a few places to get last minute gifts, and here's some of the waiting areas for ticketed passengers only. You see, they accept Amtrak and Long Island Railroad, and it's pretty nice. We have security officers right here. And a card shop for those specialty cards. So we have pretty much it all. Maybe the next trip we'll go upstairs, and I don't think there's much open. There's going to be a lot more shops and maybe more places to eat upstairs. But we have the ubiquitous Starbucks here. And Italian bakery. And the newsstand. So that kind of completes our tour. It's a great place. Very spacious, very clean. And another time we'll go up to this special Amtrak lounge, which is really good, really nice. Been to a couple of lounges in Chicago, which is nice. The old Amtrak lounge in Penn Station, so-so. Boston, so-so. But this, I'll just quick glance, if you just look to the other end, they have their own balcony. And that whole area up there is the Amtrak lounge. Anyways, thanks for watching, and safe travels if you're traveling today. Take care. Bye.